What is going on, YouTube? This is MOTOSARGE signing in, and in today's video I'm gonna bring you along with me as me and my oldest son Wyatt ride out to Red Oak Bridge out in Woodbury, Georgia. But I'm gonna give him a little surprise on our way back and stop off at Pine Mountain for a little swim in the lake. So let's roll the intro and get on with today's ride. All right, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in to another video. If you are new to the channel, I bring you along with me as I merge my passions for photography and motorcycles. So if you like anything photography or motorcycle related, please click that like icon, hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, ring that bell notification to get email alerts when I upload some new content. In today's video, we're gonna head out to Red Oak Covered Bridge in Woodbury, Georgia. I'm not gonna really give you too much audio. We're just gonna throw on some music and enjoy this beautiful ride out here because like I mentioned in the intro, I got my son on my back and he likes to talk with our Cardo Pack Talks. Can you hear me? Oh, we're in business. All right. So we're gonna get on with this ride and I will catch up with you guys when we get to the bridge.
On a long and dusty highway beneath that western sun, all my thoughts that dance like gypsies to the engine's muffled hum. As I drive towards new adventures, the self-doubt inside me springs, but it's tempered by the sweet words that my mother used to sing. Like a river runs wild, like a lark flying free, like a tall Georgia pine, I'm okay, baby. Don't you worry about them, don't you worry about me. Never fear what they say, only fear what you think. Never fear what they say, only fear what you think. There's a bustle city limits, my heart pounds inside of me. But I open up that guitar case and fill the streets with beats. Some pass by and they cast shadows, others smile joyfully.
All right, so we made it to the Red Oak Creek Covered Bridge out here in Woodbridge, Georgia. We're gonna go ahead and set up camp for a little bit, let Wyatt walk around. He said he wants to keep his helmet on, so he's gonna be walking around with his helmet. But we're gonna set up some areas, take some cool pictures hopefully, and then we will get back on the road and take him to his surprise spot next. All right, we are done hanging out at the Red Oak Creek Covered Bridge. That place is pretty cool. Wyatt had a good time throwing rocks into the creek while I was taking some photographs of the bridge. Of course, I'm gonna throw up some on the screen showing you what this bridge was and hopefully fulfilling some of my Operation TheraPic photo a day challenges. Thanks to the Hog Chapter, the local Hog Chapter here in Columbus, Georgia, Painted Rock, for putting this mission together throughout the year in order to help clock some miles. I think they said it's about 10 to 15 covered bridges within a 200-mile radius from Columbus. So, I mean, we're already into August. I'm well behind. Probably won't hit all the bridges, but it gives me something to do on the weekends. When it comes up, I can throw my son or my daughter on the back and we can go out here and try to track down these bridges. And it helps me fulfill some of my photo a day challenges because I do like to take photographs, and that place was kind of cool. I do wish I hadn't submitted something for the bridge submission. I'll probably go ahead and resubmit that because I feel like this location is much better than the one that I submitted in the previous video. So let's go ahead and get on with a little bit more riding, guys. We're gonna head into Pine Mountain where I'm gonna take my son out there onto the lake and hopefully get out there on the inflatable jump houses and stuff like that. But he does not know, so it's going to be a surprise. So we're going to enjoy this ride to the parking lot, and then we'll get off. Hopefully you'll see his reaction, and I hope it's a good one, and then we will cut today's video. So enjoy a little bit more of today's ride, and I will catch you when we get to Pine Mountain.
And they sing along with me. Like a river runs wild, like a lark flying free, like a tall Georgia pine, I'm okay being me. Don't you worry about them, don't you worry about me. Never fear what they say, only fear what you think. Never fear what they say, only fear what you think.
We just pulled into Callaway Gardens, and unfortunately they do not allow motorcycles. So if you're planning to come out here and ride around, enjoy the roads, do it in a car, or else they will turn you around at the gate. However, the lady behind the desk there was pretty kind, and she let us know that if we come up here to the beach entrance, there's some platform there that we could park the bike and walk down to the beach, which that's what I wanted to do anyways with Wyatt, so we're gonna go do that. But yeah, just food for thought. If you ride a motorcycle, don't plan to ride inside of Callaway Gardens. All right, so we made it. We gotta park our bikes over here on this platform away from Callaway Gardens. And then they'll let us go in, so let's figure this out and get off the bike. Oh. Hey.
Yeah.
Do you want to go swimming?
Yeah.
You want to go out on the bounce houses?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Well, let's go. I'm serious. I got our swimsuits in there. You want to go? Okay. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. If you like today's video, go ahead and click that like icon, hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, ring that bell notification to get email alerts when I upload some new content. So Wyatt and I, we're gonna go swim, right? Alright. Until next time guys, this is MOTOSARGE signing out.